Top 5 Best Biscuit Joiners. Number 5. Lamello Top 21 100 and 1500 Biscuit Joiner. Cut biscuit slots at angles from 0 to 135 degrees with this Lamello 100 and 1500 adjustable height biscuit joiner. The Lamello biscuit joiner features a repeatable adjustable blade height and a stop square that mounts under the workpiece for support when cutting slots close to the end of the surface. It comes equipped with a powerful electronically controlled 800 watts smart motor with a stop-start feature and overload protection. With it, you can cut slots on even the hardest of woods as it's equipped with a 6-tooth carbide scoring blade. Although it's quite expensive compared to the other models featured in this list, it's one of the best joiners you can ever get for your projects, and it's definitely worth the cost. Coming in number 4. Makita XJP03Z. If you want a cordless biscuit joiner you can work with on the job site without the inconvenience of using a cord, then you should consider getting this Makita XJP03Z. With it you can cut slots for the different sizes of biscuits, and there are preset depth stops for making these cuts. The XJP03Z comes equipped with a rack and pinion vertical fence system which you can use to make accurate adjustments for the joints you want to cut. Coming in number 3. Ryobi JM83KAC. If you want to cut accurate slots for making your biscuit joinery, the Ryobi JM83KAC is one of the best units we reviewed. Equipped with a sharp carbide-tipped blade and accurate metal rack and pinion fence, the Ryobi cuts truly and accurately every time you use it. It's very easy to adjust and very comfortable to hold even when you use it for a long time, as it comes equipped with an ergonomic handle. The Ryobi biscuit joiner features 6-amp motor which is capable of spinning the blade at 11,000 RPM and cutting through any wood you are working on no matter how hard it is. With it you can cut slots from at different angles from 0 degrees to 135 degrees, and it has positive stops at 0, 45, 90 and 135 degrees, so you can work at commonly used angles. Coming in number 2. Porter Cable Plate Biscuit Joiner Kit. With the Porter Cable Plate Joiner, you have a reliable tool you can use to cut slots for your biscuit joints through any kind of wood. It comes equipped with a power 7-amp motor which rotates the blade at a speed of 10,000 RPM. You can tilt the fence from 0 degrees to 135 degrees easily to make any type of angled biscuit joint. It comes with 2 blades. A 4-inch blade for making standard-sized cuts and a 2-inch blade for making finer cuts up to 1 1/2 inches. The Porter Cable Biscuit Joiner has 7 different cutting settings you can use to make your cuts, and has 7-position rotating depth stops for the different sizes of biscuits you can use for making the joints. It's portable and easy to handle, weighing just 7.5 pounds and measuring just over 7 inches in height. Coming in number 1. Dewalt DW682K Biscuit Joiner Kit. Equipped with a powerful 6.5 amps motor which spins at a speed of 10,000 RPM, the Dewalt DW682K biscuit joiner is capable of cutting through any wood you're working with, hard or soft. It comes equipped with a dual rack and pinion fence system which ensures that the blade and fence are parallel so that you can make accurate repeated joints every time. You can adjust the fence from 0 to 90 degrees easily to make any type of angled cut you want to make. A notch exists in the 45-degree angle which makes cutting slots for miter joints very easy. On the 0-degree angle you can make flush cuts without removing the fence, and there are positive depth stops for all the common biscuit sizes you can use for making the joints. The non-marring heavy-duty aluminum shoe allows the Dewalt DW682K biscuit joiner to be used even on delicate projects.